Here are some useful keyboard shortcuts on Windows 10 or 11 for beginners. Copy, cut, and paste. If you want to copy a text from a web page or document, highlight the text that you want to copy by clicking and dragging your mouse cursor over the text, and pressing Ctrl+C keys on your keyboard. This copies the text on your clipboard and you can paste it to another document by pressing Ctrl+V. Let's copy another text by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl+C to copy, and paste it by pressing Ctrl+V. Now, if we want to reorder the paragraphs that we just copied, we can cut a part of the text by pressing Ctrl+X, and we can paste it back with the same Ctrl+V command. Select all. The next shortcut is selecting all the text in the editor. This is useful when you want to copy all the content from one document to another or delete everything in the document. To do that, press Ctrl+A to select all, and in this example, we'll delete it by pressing the backspace or delete key, undo and redo. But let's say you want to undo the previous actions. You can press Ctrl+Z and it will undo the deletion of the text. And if you want to redo the action, simply press Ctrl+Y. Let's undo the action again by pressing Ctrl+Z. Emoji Keyboard. The next step is when you want to type emojis using your keyboard. Windows supports that with Control-key combinations. The Emoji Keyboard will pop up and you can view all the available emojis. You can also search a specific emoji by typing while the Emoji Keyboard is open. And then you can select an emoji by clicking on it or pressing Enter key on the selected icon. Find in page. The next is finding a text in a web page. You can do that by pressing Ctrl+F and typing on the search bar your search text. Zoom in and out. You can zoom in and out on a page by scrolling your mouse wheel up and down while holding the Control key. Control scroll up zooms in the page, while Control scroll down zooms out it. Snip and Sketch. You can use Snip and Sketch to easily take screenshots on your Windows computer. Press Windows-Shift-S to launch the tool, and there you'll have the options to take partial, freeform, window, or full screen screenshot depending on what you need. Close a window. To close the currently active window, press Alt+F4. Reload or refresh a page. To reload or refresh a page, press F5 or Ctrl+R. Switch open window. Press Alt-Tab to switch to another open window. To cycle through the open windows, press the Tab key multiple times while holding the Alt key, and release them to open the selected window. Rename. Oftentimes, we rename files for organization purposes. The keyboard shortcut for renaming a file is F2. Clicking on File and pressing F2 activates the editor to change the name of the file. Pressing Enter or clicking away from the file saves the new file name you have entered. And those are some of the useful keyboard shortcuts on Windows 10 and 11 for beginners. I hope that you find this video useful, and if you do so, I appreciate if you like this video or leave a comment if you use other shortcuts that are not mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.